Toby Cabin, I'd like to start with you. You're used to representing people and protecting their human rights. In this case, if you were Andrew Tate's lawyer, would you be outraged by the fact that they've been kept behind bars for, 5, 6 weeks now without charges?
Thank you. Well, I think in a case such as this, it's very, very important that the procedure is strictly adhered to, and that the process is above all fair. When you have a concept such as preventative detention, which is not a concept that we recognise in our jurisdiction in England and Wales, where we have very strict custody time limits pre-charge, but it is something that is certainly in Romania, in a number of countries in Central and Eastern Europe, but also in some international tribunals as well. So, of course, I would imagine the lawyers, as we are hearing, are up in arms, claiming that this is an unreasonable length of time to be held without being charged. And so I would expect them to continue to make those arguments. Of course, this is a very complicated case. We know that it has been investigated for a considerable time already. But I do think that it does undermine the legitimacy of the process when there is such delay before charging. We would certainly hope that, based on the evidence that the prosecutors say they have, there is a sufficient basis to charge all four defendants and to move forward with the trial. That's in the interests of the defendants. That's also in the interest of the victims.